Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job.
Hi guys, my name is Sangram and today there is a new job update from QMath company. So QMath is a online edtech company and here the students enroll for learning mathematics. Okay, so here they are providing you work from home opportunity and the role is customer service associate. So they haven't mentioned anything but they have provided the registration form and I will provide you this registration form in my comment section, or you can check in the description area of the video so that you can also get this form and you can apply accordingly. So if you are a fresher or experienced graduate and if you are looking for a work from home based job, you can apply for this opportunity. As a customer service associate, you just need to solve all the queries which will be raised by the students and their parents. So your communication skills should be very good and your approach should be customer centric. So here I will explain you about the form because they did not provide any proper job description. So here you can see in the screen the Google form is open. So first find is candidate name. Here you have to write your own name. Here they have mentioned one shift which is 4 p.m. to 1 p.m. IST or 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. IST. These two slots they are providing you and you have to become available in both of the slots. Okay, so if you are available then only you can click on yes. Okay, your current location you can provide your current city. Current CTC you can mention. If you are a fresher you can mention here 0. Expected CTC you can provide your expectation, but if you are a fresher you can mention here 3 lakh. That will be appropriate, but yeah, in Glassdoor it's mentioned that as a fresher you can make at least 4 lakh per annum, like you will get incentives and bonuses as well. So if you can combine everything you will get approx 4 lakh per annum by doing simple work from home job. How soon can you join us? So here if you are a fresher you can mention that you are available, like you can mention here immediately, or if you are experienced and if you are serving notice period you can provide you the notice period duration. Okay, email ID is very important point because the HR will communicate with you using your email. Provide your email ID. Contact number, please provide your contact number. How many years of experience you have in customer service or similar role. So there are some options available. So if you are a fresher you can mention here in fresher. So up to 3 to 5 years people can apply for this role, but if your experience is more than 5 years you can still apply for this role. If you got selected you will get the team lead position here. Your highest qualification you can provide your qualification. Then they are asking for attach your resume, so you have to update your resume and then you can attach it. Then you have to submit this form. Make sure that you have to submit this form by 5th of December. So if you are watching this video today, please be hurry and please provide all the details and submit the form. It will be a work from home based job update. So if you have a proper internet connection and if you have a personal laptop or desktop, then only you can apply for this opportunity. So please arrange accordingly so that you can apply for this role. If you can clear this role, you can earn a decent amount of money by doing simple work from home. So that's all about today's job update. I hope it will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.